It has to move.
Wait.
You know what?
Put your arms by your side. Relax. You gotta stay on the sidewalk.
You gotta stay
It's
on.
going in circles.
No!
That's because you're making it go in circles.
That's why you have to lean. You gotta lean. When you lean, it goes forward. Back, forward. If you do like one side front, the other side back, it spins the way. That's front.
That's what you're doing. You clearly don't have both your. That's why I tell you put your arms by your side. Put your arms by your side. You suck.
Hey.
Go in the street.
Yeah. This is what we bought. See, crazy man.
Crazy man.
Yeah.
I think he in there asleep.
Huh?
I think he in there asleep.
In that sleep.
I think so.
And who got my car?
Oh, I don't know. Shit. I have no idea. Let me go find that because I don't know what the fuck.